India, size and location. In this module, you'll learn the important geographical statistics of India. The name India has been derived from the river Indus, along the valleys of which the Indus Valley civilization flourished around 2500 BC. Did you know that the ancient Greeks used to refer to the ancient Indians as Indoi, the people of the Indus? The Indian subcontinent is set apart from the rest of Asia with the Great Himalayas and is immediately recognizable on a world map. The roughly triangular peninsula touches three large bodies of water, namely the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Lying entirely in the northern hemisphere, the Indian mainland extends between latitudes 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north, and longitude 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. The country is divided into almost equal parts, with the Tropic of Cancer at 23 degrees 30 minutes north. To the southeast of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and to the southwest lie the Lakshadweep Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea respectively. Coming to size, the Indian subcontinent is Asia's second largest country after China. Comparatively, the area occupied by India is slightly more than 1/3 of the size of the United States. The Indian landmass has an area of a whopping 3.28 million square kilometers. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Look at this graph. From the graph, you can clearly see that India is the 7th largest country in the world. The land boundary of India is about 15,200 kilometers, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 kilometers. India is bound by the Yangtze Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast. South of about 22 degrees north latitude, it begins to taper and extend towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea in the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. Here's a map showing India's extent and standard meridian. If you do a bit of calculation, you will find that the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees. Despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, it has a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India, which is 82 degrees 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is considered the standard time for the entire country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night on moving from south to north. In this module, you have learned the following. The Indian mainland extends between latitudes 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north, and longitude 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. India is divided into almost 2 equal parts with the Tropic of Cancer at 23 degrees 30 minutes north. The Indian landmass has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometers. India's total area is about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. This makes it the 7th largest country in the world. The length of the Indian coastline, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 kilometers. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the Indian mainland is about 30 degrees. The standard meridian of India is 82 degrees 30 minutes east.